Hi guys, I'm going to be explaining to you Arteria subclavia and its branches. So Arteria subclavia comes from the right side from the Truncus brachiocephalicus and on the left side directly from the arcus aortae. We will have the continuation of the Arteria subclavia as Arteria axillaris later on when it follows. First, let's talk about the parts of the Arteria subclavia. Maybe you remember already from a previous video, we had a few branches that I'm going to be talking about a bit more in detail. So, pars thoracica will be the first. Part of the Arteria subclavia. Then we will find the pars muscularis, and the pars cervicalis. So, going back to our Arteria subclavia, the first part, as we mentioned, was the pars thoracica, with the first branch of A.vertebralis. Then we will have the Arteria thoracica interna. The next would be the Truncus thyrocervicalis. So, now I'm going to explain to you what exactly we had in the Arteria thoracica interna. If you remember, we had Arteria intercostales anterior, which makes our anastomosis with Arteria intercostales posterior from the aorta thoracica. Then we have the Arteria pericardiacophrenica, Arteria musculophrenica, and Arteria epigastrica superior, which was also very important, having an anastomosis with the Arteria epigastrica inferior from the Arteria iliaca externa. So, next is our Arteria Truncus thyrocervicalis with the Arteria Suprascapularis, Arteria Thyroidea inferior, Arteria cervicalis ascendens, Arteria cervicalis transversa. Our Arteria cervicalis transversa can be found part of the pars cervicalis. These would be right now our pars thoracica, the major ones of the Arteria subclavia. Now pars muscularis, which will be between the musculus galenus anterior and the musculus galenus medius. What we will find here will be the Truncus costacervicalis. Our Truncus costacervicalis will give two branches, Arteria intercostales suprema and Arteria cervicalis profunda. Our last part would be the pars cervicalis. That has most of the time no branches, but it could be also the Arteria cervicalis transversa found here, which is usually found in the pars thoracica. That was a short video about the Arteria subclavia. Thanks for watching.